Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah. What's up? Greeting everybody out there in YouTube land. It is I, Afro Millennial Momma, and this is my assistant here. And today we are making, for the very first time, you know what we're making?
We are making
enchiladas. Now, I'm from California, from Los Angeles to be exact, and I can't believe how this is the first time I'm making them, but because you can get them anywhere, I've never had to make them before. We live in what country now?
Senegal.
So in Senegal, there's nowhere to buy enchiladas, so we're gonna have to learn how to make them ourselves. Thanks, Mom, for not teaching me how to make enchiladas. But we need these skills right now, right? All right, so we're gonna get started. I've never made this before. We're just gonna figure it out as we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. So I just made me a roux with some olive oil and butter, and put some flour in it just to get some flavor. And once I put the tomatoes in, the smell, oh my gosh, it's so good. Makes me want to make some pasta or something. But I'm gonna let these tomatoes, I'm gonna mix them up and let them sit for a while until they turn into a sauce. I put a little bit of canned tomatoes with the fresh tomatoes that I had, so we'll see how this does when we come back. Ooh, I'm gonna have to add some water to this. Smells like tomato bisque soup. Smell it. Look at that. Oh, so yummy looking. That's gonna be our enchilada sauce.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta throw some pepper in here. Bam, 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 bam. Some garlic powder. Bam, 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 bam. Salt, of course. We got some cayenne pepper. Give it a little spicy spice. Spice almost make me sneeze. So So it got like an Italian flavor to it. Some water. That would slow down the cooking. Oh, look at that. Look up close. Zoom in close. Yeah. Now while the sauce is finishing cooking, I'm gonna get started cutting the onions and the garlic.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Go ahead. Stay still with your finger. You hear that sizzle? Smells so fragrant. So I'm gonna cook this down till it becomes translucent, as they say. And then at which point I will add the chicken, and then we're gonna put a little sauce on it. So we're all done with the enchilada.
Yep.
Even
You want
though
to see?
you really didn't help me that much this time. But I forgive you. So you ready to taste it?
Yep.
Alright, let's taste it. I blow on it. Is it hot?
It tastes just like pizza.
Oh.
Really good.
Is it too hot?
No.
No. Alright. So eat it. Look, I need to see your reaction. It's good? Alright, let's taste. I didn't have all the perfect ingredients, but I made it work. I didn't have the cheddar cheese and all that other stuff, but you don't need to always have all that stuff. So this is my first enchilada. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, not bad at all. I made my own sauce. I used flour tortilla. I didn't have corn tortilla, but it's still, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that pizza sauce. I think I made an Italian more than a Mexican sauce, but it works. All right, thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.
Hold up.
You can watch.
Give me a high five. They can watch us what?
They can watch us still.
Yes, they're gonna watch us cook. That's the whole point. Why are you moving the camera?
So they can see us while you're cutting.
We're gonna stop and start over again.
But then no one hear us.
We'll be back.
I want to keep recording.
And then stop. Stop.
I'm showing them the food.
No, it's not pretty yet.
Got some
Not so
cheese.
close, baby. Far so they can see it.
Cheese. Corn flour. Corn flour.
You show the chicken. You show the chicken or not?
What's this?
That's fine. Do it faster. Just show. All you got. Look. I didn't say put your hand. Pause it.
Bye bye.
Ready?
I'm still filming.
You're not?
I am filming.
Alright, stop. Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.